Around 5 years ago, the Parliament established the Disability Action and Inclusion Plan, and that identified 4 areas at the Parliament that we felt we needed to address. Those included making Parliament of Victoria an accessible and friendly place for people with disability, ensuring that people with a disability access all our different communications, ensure that the staff of the Parliament of Victoria could become disability aware and disability confident, and also that the Parliament was meeting its legislative obligations and requirements.
In Australia, we estimate that there's about 1.2 million Australians who experience difficulty with communication access. Many of those can have a disability. It may be an intellectual disability, it may be something like cerebral palsy, it may be an acquired brain injury that has changed their cognitive status. It impacts a large number of people.
What the Parliament has done to attain communication accessibility accreditation is work with Scope or partner with Scope. We identified 5 public-facing business units within the Parliament. Those include the Legislative Assembly's Tours and Customer Service Unit and Procedure Office, the Legislative Council's Chamber Support Office and Attendant Group, and also the Parliament's catering team. We felt as the units that deal most with the public, they would benefit most from the accreditation. And I believe that after the extensive training process, which they found both challenging and very rewarding, we've achieved that, and I know that the teams are very appreciative of the opportunity to participate in the program.
We have employees that have lived experience with disability, so they come in and would assess the workplace in line with their disability, and that helps inform a plan going forward. So from that we would develop tools for your organisation to use, and then we would conduct the training to be able to use those tools. Those tools can be written things, they could be cue cards, they could be electronic, they can be a wide range of things depending on your business and what the requirements are. The other part of that, once we've done training and there's implementation, is that we need to continually go back and assess that everybody is still competent in using those tools and understanding and what the feedback's been from those that have used it.
We think we came up with some really worthwhile tools that can be used and cover pretty much most eventualities that the teams will face.
It's so important that people with a disability have access to everything else in the community that those people without a disability have. People in Australia have been marginalised for so long, and not being able to access services, and in particular government services, it's discriminatory, and they should have the choice to access wherever they want.
Well, we often refer to Parliament as the People's Building, and we can't really be called the People's Building if we are not accessible to everyone, particularly people with disability. So I think communication access accreditation is one step towards making Parliament more accessible. Parliament is open to the public for events, for tours, and of course watching the proceedings of Parliament and our committees. And we want to make sure that every Victorian can participate in what's happening at Parliament. And through our Disability Action and Inclusion Plan, and also through this communication accreditation, we can try and make sure that people in particular with disability can participate in the different activities at Parliament House.